Hello, and welcome to Speak Better Practice.
Actually, Lily, I'm not feeling so great today.
Oh no, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Well, I woke up this morning and my head hurts, and I think I have a runny nose.
Oh, that's not good. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was coughing a lot during the night. My throat feels scratchy.
Oh dear, it sounds like you might be getting a cold. Did you check your temperature?
No, I didn't, but I felt a little hot this morning. Maybe I should go to the doctor?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. You know what? This is perfect for our lesson today.
You're right. We can show everyone exactly what to say at the doctor's office.
Exactly. So listeners, pay attention. We're going to walk through everything step by step.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. We all do when we're learning.
That's right. The important thing is to try. Even if you don't know all the words, the doctor will help you.
Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. What's the first thing I need to do if I'm sick?
Great question! First, let's talk about some grammar that will help you. When you feel sick, you use the verb to have or to feel.
Okay, can you give me some examples?
Of course! Listen carefully. You say, I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a cough. You use have with the symptom.
I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a cough. Got it.
Good! Now, you can also say, I feel sick. I feel tired. I feel hot. You use feel with how your body feels.
I feel sick. I feel tired. I feel hot. That's helpful.
Also, when something hurts, you can say, my throat hurts. My stomach hurts. My head hurts.
So I can say I have a headache or my head hurts?
Exactly. Both are correct. Now you know 3 ways to describe how you feel.
So, I have, I feel, and my hurts. Perfect.
Yes! Keep these in your mind. You'll use them a lot today.
Okay, so I'm sick. I need to see a doctor. What do I do first?
First, you need to call the doctor's office. You need to make an appointment.
An appointment? What's that?
An appointment is a time when the doctor will see you. You can't just walk in. You need to plan a time.
I see. So I call and ask for an appointment. How do I say that?
You say, hello, I would like to make an appointment, please. Let's practice calling the doctor. I'll be the receptionist.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning, City Medical Center. How may I help you?
Hello. My name is Tom Miller. I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course, Mr. Miller. What is the reason for your visit today?
I'm not feeling well. I have a headache and a sore throat.
I understand. We have an opening at 2:30 this afternoon. Is that okay for you?
Yes, 2:30 is perfect. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Please bring your ID and insurance card. See you at 2:30.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Great job, Tom. See everyone? It's not so difficult.
That was easy. The important thing is to say your name and why you need to see the doctor.
Exactly. The receptionist will ask, what is the reason for your visit? And you can say, I'm sick, or I don't feel well.
Okay, so now I'm at the doctor's office. I'm sitting in the waiting room.
Yes. Usually you check in at the front desk first. They might ask you to fill out a form.
A form? What information do they need?
Don't worry, it's basic information. Your name, your birthday, your address, and your phone number.
Oh, that's okay. I can do that.
Then you sit and wait. A nurse will call your name. Let's practice. Tom Miller?
Yes, that's me.
Hello, Mr. Miller. Please follow me. We need to check a few things first.
Okay.
First, please step on the scale. I need to check your weight.
Why do they check my weight?
It's normal. The nurse also checks your height, your blood pressure, and sometimes your temperature. These are called vital signs.
Vital signs. Okay, I understand.
All right, now the nurse takes you to the examination room. You sit and wait for the doctor. Let's practice the conversation with the doctor. I'll be Dr. Lily.
Okay, Dr. Lily.
Hello, Tom. I'm Dr. Lily. It's nice to meet you. How are you today?
Hello, doctor. Not so good, actually.
I'm sorry to hear that. So tell me, what brings you here today?
Wait, what brings you here today? What does that mean?
Good question. This is a common phrase. It means, Why are you here, or what's the problem?
Ah, so the doctor is asking about my problem.
Exactly. Let's continue. What brings you here today?
Well, doctor, I don't feel well. I have a headache and my throat is very sore.
I see. When did these symptoms start?
They started about 2 days ago. At first it was just a little, but now it's worse.
Okay, can you describe the headache? Where does it hurt?
It hurts here, on the front of my head, and also on the sides.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? 1 is very little pain, and 10 is the worst pain ever.
Maybe a 6 or 7. It's pretty strong.
I understand. Now tell me about your throat. What does it feel like?
It feels scratchy and painful. When I swallow, it really hurts.
Are you coughing?
Yes, I have a cough. It's a dry cough, no mucus.
I see. Do you have a fever? Do you feel hot?
I'm not sure. I felt hot this morning, but I didn't check my temperature.
That's okay, let me check now. Yes, you have a slight fever. 38 degrees Celsius.
Is that bad?
It's not too high, but it shows your body is fighting something. Do you have any other symptoms? Any body aches? Fatigue?
Yes, my whole body feels tired and weak, and my muscles hurt a little.
Okay. What about your nose? Is it runny or stuffy?
Yes, it's runny. I keep sneezing too.
Okay, let's pause here. Everyone, did you hear all those symptoms? Let me review them for you.
Yes, we used a lot of important words. Let's make sure everyone understands them.
First, we have headache. This means pain in your head.
I have a headache. My head hurts.
Next is sore throat. This means your throat is painful.
My throat is sore. It hurts when I swallow.
Then we have cough. This is when air comes out of your mouth suddenly like this.
And we said dry cough, which means no mucus or phlegm comes out.
Right. A wet cough is when you cough and mucus comes out. Got it?
Yes, dry cough, no mucus. Wet cough, with mucus.
Another important word is fever. A fever means your body temperature is too high.
Normal body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. When you have a fever, it's higher.
We also said runny nose. This means liquid comes out of your nose.
My nose is runny. I need a tissue.
And stuffy nose means your nose is blocked. You can't breathe through it easily.
My nose is stuffy. I can't breathe well.
We mentioned body aches. This means your muscles and body hurt all over.
I have body aches. Everything hurts.
And finally, fatigue or tired. You have no energy.
I feel very tired. I have no energy.
Excellent. Now let's put these together. Can you tell me 3 symptoms, Tom?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever.
Perfect. Now everyone, you try. Repeat after Tom.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a fever.
Great job, everyone.
Okay, so I told the doctor all my symptoms. What happens next?
Now I need to examine you. Let me check your throat first. Can you open your mouth wide and say, ah?
Ah.
Good. Yes, your throat is very red and swollen. That's why it hurts. Now I need to listen to your lungs. Please take a deep breath in through your nose. Good. Now breathe out through your mouth. Again, please. Deep breath in and out. Okay, your lungs sound clear. That's good news. Now let me check your ears with this instrument.
What is that called?
It's called an otoscope. It's a tool to look inside your ears.
Otoscope. Okay.
Your ears look fine. Now, do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. And are you taking any medicine right now?
No, I'm not taking any medicine.
All right. Based on your symptoms and my examination, I think you have a viral infection. Probably the flu or a bad cold.
The flu? Is that serious?
For most healthy people, no. But you need to rest and take care of yourself. Here's what you need to do, Tom. First, rest. Stay home from work for at least 2 to 3 days.
Okay, rest at home.
Second, drink lots of fluids. Water, juice, tea, these are all good. Your body needs fluids to fight the infection.
Drink lots of water. Got it.
Third, you can take medicine for the pain and fever. I'm going to give you a prescription.
A prescription? What's that?
A prescription is a special paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacy what medicine to give you.
Ah, so I take this paper to the pharmacy?
Exactly. Some medicine you can buy without a prescription, like aspirin or cough syrup. But stronger medicine needs a prescription from a doctor.
I see. What medicine are you giving me?
This is an anti-inflammatory medicine. It will help with your headache, sore throat, and fever. Take 1 pill twice a day. Once in the morning after breakfast and once at night after dinner.
Twice a day, after meals, morning and night.
Correct. Take it for 5 days. Don't stop early even if you feel better.
Okay, I'll take it for 5 days.
Also, for your sore throat, you can buy throat lozenges at the pharmacy. Don't need a prescription for those.
Throat lozenges? What are those?
Lozenges are like small candies that you suck on. They help your throat feel better. Some have menthol or honey.
Oh, I understand. Like throat candy.
Yes, exactly. And one more thing. Gargle with warm salt water 3 times a day. It helps reduce throat pain.
Gargle with salt water. How do I do that?
Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Put it in your mouth, tilt your head back, and make a sound like, ah, without swallowing.
Like this? Ah.
Yes, but with the water. Then spit it out.
Okay, I can do that.
Do you have any questions for me, Tom?
Yes. When will I feel better?
You should start to feel better in about 3 to 4 days. But it might take a week to feel completely normal again.
And when can I go back to work?
You can return to work when your fever has been gone for 24 hours without medicine.
Okay, so no fever for 1 full day, then I can go back.
Exactly. If you don't feel better in 5 days, or if you get worse, come back to see me immediately.
Thank you so much, doctor. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Tom. Take care of yourself. Here's your prescription.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Feel better soon. That was a great example. But there are many other reasons to visit a doctor. Let's practice a few more situations quickly.
Good idea. What if I have a stomach problem?
Okay? You might say, I have a stomach ache, or my stomach hurts. You can also say, I have nausea. That means you feel like you need to vomit.
I feel nauseous. I have a stomach ache. I have diarrhea.
What about an injury? Like if you hurt yourself?
I could say, I fell and hurt my knee, or I twisted my ankle.
Yes, and you can say, it's swollen, if it's bigger than normal, or it's bruised, if it's black and blue.
My ankle is swollen and bruised.
What about skin problems?
I could say, I have a rash, or my skin is itchy.
Perfect. These are all very useful phrases.
All right, everyone, we learned so many new words today. Let's review the most important ones.
Yes. We're going to focus on 5 essential words for visiting the doctor.
Number 1, symptom. A symptom is a sign that something is wrong with your body.
A headache is a symptom. A cough is a symptom. A fever is a symptom.
When I go to the doctor, I describe my symptoms.
Number 2, appointment. An appointment is a planned time to meet the doctor.
I need to make an appointment. My appointment is at 3 p.m.
Number 3, prescription. This is the doctor's written order for medicine.
The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics.
Remember, you take the prescription to the pharmacy to get the medicine.
Number 4, pharmacy. This is the store where you buy medicine, also called the drugstore.
I'm going to the pharmacy to get my medicine.
And number 5, examine. This means the doctor checks your body to see what's wrong.
The doctor will examine your throat. The doctor will examine your ears.
Let's say all 5 words together. Ready? Symptom,
Appointment.
prescription,
Pharmacy.
examine.
Excellent. Now you know the 5 most important words for a doctor's visit.
Can you make a sentence with these words? Try it. Write it in the comments.
Wow, Tom. We covered so much today. Let's recap what we learned.
Yes. First, we learned how to make an appointment by phone.
We say, hello, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Then we learned what happens at the doctor's office. The nurse checks your vital signs.
That's your weight, height, blood pressure, and temperature.
Then we practiced describing symptoms to the doctor.
I have a headache. My throat is sore. I feel tired.
Remember to give details. Say when the symptoms started and how bad they are.
We learned about the examination. The doctor checks your throat, listens to your lungs, and looks in your ears.
Then the doctor gives you advice. Rest, drink fluids, take medicine.
And if you need medicine, the doctor gives you a prescription to take to the pharmacy.
We also reviewed 5 key words: symptom, appointment, prescription, pharmacy, and examine.
The most important thing is, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you don't understand, say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain?"
Doctors want to help you. They will speak slowly and clearly if you ask them.
Now it's your turn to practice. We have some questions for you.
Please answer in the comments below. We love reading your responses.
Question number 1. What do you do when you have a cold? Do you go to the doctor or stay home?
Question number 2. What is a common medicine for a headache in your country?
Question number 3. Can you describe one symptom in English? For example, I have a cough.
Write your answers in the comments. Don't be shy. This is practice.
Making mistakes is okay. That's how we learn.
We read every single comment and we're so proud of you for trying.
Also, to help you reinforce your understanding of the lesson, we've prepared a free visual aid for you.
You can download it from the link in the description.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson.
We hope you feel more confident about going to the doctor in English now.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us so much.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video.
Speaking of our next video, can you guess what the topic will be?
Here's a hint. The simple present tense in English.
That's right. Next time we're going to learn how to use the simple present tense in English.
Important topic.
Keep practicing your English every single day. Even just 10 minutes makes a big difference.
Remember, you're doing an amazing job. We believe in you.
Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Happy learning.